The journey started 18 years back with 2 rooms and 5-6 kids for playgroup. We found an ultimate satisfaction in being with the innocent kids, looking at their smile and making them ready for their bright future. Then we decided we will serve our entire life for the future of nation, and that thought brought us here today with n number of students studying from nursery to 10th standard. We at ASCII believe building a human rather than producing doctors, engineers, CA, businessmen, etc. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mrs. Sangeeta Balapre, Principal of Pre-Primary Section. I am serving here since 18 years. We get into provide healthy learning atmosphere to kids. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mr. Pawan Chitode, serving myself as academic head, ASCII Kids Public School. Our organization is one of the leading education institute in Akola district, and we are serving in the education field from the last 15 years. Our school's motto is to give quality education to middle class family and to provide this education facility on affordable cost to the all people in our Akot city. We felt that every student is having the same and equal mind. We felt in overall development of students. We saw the seeds of socialism, nationalism and secularism among students.
Hello everyone, I am Bharti Makude and I am here working here as a clerk. ASCII Kids Public School is a wonderful platform that everyone believes in the smart work. We always try to solve all parents' issues related to their children. We try to improve all the skill of the children and making them all-rounder in all aspects without leaving their interest is our main motto. We would like to enhance all the skill of the children through introducing a wonderful product called Eduate. So we are very happy to associate with Eduate, and definitely this is a wonderful platform for our students. So make a right choice and make a bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Vaishali Kulkar. I am pursuing myself since 16 years. It's an honor to be a part of ASCII Kids Public School as a teacher, as an English teacher. We give totally practical and activity-based education to students. It means they can clear their doubts and topic will more interesting and enhance the growth of the students.
Hello everyone, here is art lover Mrs. Varsha Agnimatri. I am working as an art teacher in ASCII Kids Public School. It's very honor to me that I am the part of this beautiful school. Do you know, our school always provides the perfect platform to the student to show their creativity by organizing a different types of workshop, training, program and the opportunities to explore their arts. We always develop the beautiful creativity among the students by arranging some activities, competitions like clay, craft, painting and making a poster, artificial bouquet, etc. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Suresh Jeswani and I am a proud parent of this great institution, ASCII Kids Public School. What I like most about this school is the love and affinity all the teachers and the management staff share with the students and their futuristic approach about the career of the students. Thank you.
Hello all, myself Dr. Nilija Kolle, a children specialist practicing pediatrician at Shri Kripa Hospital, Daryapur Road, Akot. Actually, school is a foundation where knowledge is imparted to a child, and I am very happy that as a parent I am in contact with ASCII Kids since last few years. As a parent, I have a nice approach from school. Here we get an equal approach from or guidance from principal madam and administration, whatever issues it may be. Regarding academics, school teachers are very cooperative and they get a healthy approach to every child regarding academics. Apart from academics, in this school, various other curricular activities and non-academic issues are taken, For example, last month they conducted a residential camp of Scout Guide. It was very fruitful. Other than this, every Saturday they conduct a seminar session where students study various other non-curricular subjects, and they give a small seminar. And it is a lucky chance. Whatever chit they took, a child gets an opportunity to deliver the seminar. Another thing very informative and like a piece of cake I will tell. They invite various eminent personalities from society for interviews, where students prepare their interview sessions, they take their interviews and get a nice opportunity to learn about the personalities.